So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a line break between two sentences. So I'm going to write hashtag, 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 and then /line break. And I'm going to change it to Markdown and then shift enter. So here I'm going to write my first sentence and then second sentence. I'm going to make it Markdown. Shift enter and you will see that they both are in the same line. So I can come here and write BR, which means break it for me. So this one is in its own line and this one is in a separate line. Shift enter and you guys can see that each one of them are in its own line. This trick will help you a lot in writing and organizing your insights inside Jupyter Notebook. And I will see you on the next video.